to On the Frets, and today we are going to continue with our series on the sus chords, and today we are going to go over the C sus chord. So let's get in here and take a look at it. Alright guys, so we are going to start with the C major chord here, and all we're going to do for the C sus2 is we're going to lift our middle finger and we're going to play from the A string to the B string. And that is your C sus2. Now for your sus4, you're going to go ahead and bar these, the high E and the B string. You're going to leave the G open. Your pinky's going to go on the D string on the 3rd fret. And your ring finger is going to go right above that on the 3rd fret of the A string. And this is going to be your C sus4. Okay, so we'll go back to C sus2. And back to your 4. And back to your C major. Well, alright guys, there you have it, the C sus chord. And if you need any more information, be sure to check the description down below. And with that, please keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. We'll see you next time.